In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GeForce NOW username. Before we begin, it's important to know one key detail. Your GeForce NOW username is actually the display name connected to your NVIDIA account. So if you want to update the name people see, you won't usually change it inside GeForce NOW directly. Instead, you'll update it through your NVIDIA account settings. Start by signing into your NVIDIA account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one login or if you use different accounts across devices. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open your account settings or account management page. This is where NVIDIA stores your personal profile details and account preferences. After you're in the account area, look for an option such as Edit Profile or Account Information. The exact wording can vary a little depending on whether you're using a browser, a desktop view, or a mobile device, but the goal is the same. You want to access the section where your basic profile details can be updated. Once you're there, find the field labeled Display Name or Username. This is the name tied to your NVIDIA profile and the one used for your GeForce NOW identity. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scroll through the profile section carefully, since account pages can sometimes be organized differently depending on updates to the website. When you locate your current display name, click Edit. This will allow you to make changes to the existing name. Then type in your new username exactly how you want it to appear. It's a good idea to double-check spelling, capitalization, and spacing before moving on, especially if you want your name to look clean and consistent across services. After entering the new username, click Save or Confirm to apply the change. Once that's done, your updated display name should be linked to your NVIDIA account. In some cases, the change may appear right away, while in others, it may take a short time to refresh across GeForce NOW and related services. If you don't see the update immediately, try refreshing the page, signing out and back in, or reopening the GeForce NOW app. That can help the new display name sync properly, and that's all it takes to change your GeForce NOW username by updating your NVIDIA account display name.